Login failed on Raiz App Fix. You open the Raiz app, ready to check your roundup investments or portfolio balance, but instead you get login failed. It's frustrating, but the surprising truth is, this is usually a quick fix. Start by checking your internet connection. Raiz needs a stable network to verify your account securely. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode for a few seconds to refresh your signal. Weak or unstable internet is one of the most common reasons for login issues. Next, make sure your Raiz app is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play, search Raiz, and hit Update if you see one available. Older app versions can lose compatibility with newer security systems, leading to login errors. If that doesn't help, manually re-enter your login details. Avoid using autofill. Many people get locked out because stored passwords are outdated. If you've forgotten your credentials, use the Forgot Password option to reset them safely. Still can't get in? Try clearing the app's cache. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Raiz Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app to remove corrupted data. This step often solves the problem immediately. Also, check if you're using a VPN. Raiz may block logins from masked or international IP addresses to protect your account. Turn off your VPN and try again. It's a fix that works more often than you think. If all else fails, try logging in on the Raiz website. If that doesn't work either, it might be a temporary server issue or maintenance. Wait a little and try again later. So when you see login failed on Raiz, don't panic. With a few quick checks your internet, app version, login details, cache, and VPN, you can fix it easily. In just minutes, you'll be back to managing your spare change investments and watching your savings grow.